Okay, I got my pads, elbow pads, knee pads, camera, helmet, and one wheel. Let's see how this works. It's been a while. I need to get back on this. There we go. There we go. See, you can get on the internet every day and find something to get angry about just by typing a few words. And then you're kind of locked into it because every day the algorithms are going to start showing you what you like, what you hate. So it's kind of different when you can just get out and get into nature and start having a better time. Anyway, I'm gonna ride for a while. I'm gonna ride like the king no more. So yeah, it's easy. I fall in that internet trap all the time. I see something and I think, well, that ain't right. That can't be right. Can't be true. And half the time, when you go research a little bit, you realize, hey, it ain't true. Why am I getting mad about something that's not true? Because somebody wants me to be mad about it, because they know I'll click on it and they get a penny or whatever. But if 38 million people click on it, whew, it starts adding up pretty damn quick. Got a car coming behind me, so I'm going to take this road right over here. See where it goes. It goes to this circle, which I like circles. One wheel's pretty good, but that ground hurts. No more traffic than I kind of expected on Sunday. Let's follow this car. Yep, a little bit more traffic. See, the one wheel's got a limiter. You can only go so fast because it's trying to do a gyro thingy. And the faster you go, the less energy it's got to keeping you upright. Now, that may sound, reasonable. But what they should really do is limit your top speed to a safe level that it can do both jobs. Keep you at your top speed and then enough reserve energy left over to keep the gyros working, because they're very important. Because when that front nose digs in, you go pretty much, you're gonna fly. If you're prepared, you can run it off, kind of, but ain't nobody running off the top speed of 22 except, well, pro football players, and they ain't crazy enough to do something like this. All right, let's go. I can deal with this. Mean nothing. All right, let's go for it. Just taking it easy. Speed bumps. Speed bumps. What you gotta remember is don't panic. Like that. I'm glad that little thing was there. Left turn, Clyde. Pull up, boy, and get your ticket. Pull up, boy, get your ticket. Pull up, boy, and get your ticket. Pick up a little more speed. Park for police. Pull over, boy, and get your ticket. Now we're regenerating some batteries, some energy going downhill, regenerating. Box one. Going down the wrong way. Dadgummit. We have a duck. Hey duck. Quack quack. Quack quack. Quack quack. He wasn't scared. More ducks. Alright, Bert, I don't know what your issue is. Taking a left right up here. Left turn, Clyde. Left turn, Clyde. This is at the end of this road, kind of. Well, it's one where I had one of my worst incidents. Came across a speed bump, and right on the other side I floored it, and guess what? The nose dug in, and I flew, and it hurt. My shoulder was really hurting after that, but it's pretty much back to what it was before. So anyway, lesson learned. I think it was right here. Because I remember a dog standing over there barking at me. Dog. I said dog. See? Beautiful Dothan. Dothan's beautiful. Except flag is that? Hotty toddy. Oh my God. Mockingbird Lane. Yeah, 50% truth is still 50% lies, right? The people that trucking that, they must not have any dread at the thought of standing in the afterlife and basically saying, hey, I told half the truth. What's that make the other half? I guess it's alright if you fib, right? Does that make it a fib? Fibs are okay. It's not where I thought this would come out at. Again, it's a beautiful neighborhood though. I don't like going down that road because it gets pretty darn busy. But it can. But I only gotta go a couple of 100 yards. Right? Right. And catchphrase is, don't panic. People ain't really gonna run over you as long as they're paying attention, right? I think I'll just head back the other way.